Greetings! This is your Nerd Nite co-boss, Andrew, coming at you with this video promo for our next event on June 14th, first year of Reiwa, also known as 2019. As always, we'll be at the uber-cool Nagatacho Grid. If you hadn't heard, our June event also marks Nerd Nite Tokyo's 3rd birthday, and in addition to our lineup of 3 nifty speakers, we're going to be doing some celebrating. But speaking of speakers, our speakers and talks this month are Yuri Kimura, the dinosaur hunter under a lucky star, Jan-Jaap van Assen, Seeing Goop, and James Reynolds, Disasters and Drones Capturing Nature's Exceptional Events. Now, James was kind enough to record a quick video preview of his talk for us, and without further ado, here it is.
Hello, my name is James Reynolds, and I am really excited to be one of the presenters at the upcoming Nerd Nite evening at Nagatacho Grid on the 14th of June. For the last 14 years, I have been pursuing a rather unusual career, traveling around the world chasing hurricanes, typhoons, tropical storms, as well as getting up close and personal to some of the most significant volcanic eruptions that have taken place. Now, why would anyone do that? Well, I am a cameraman at heart, and I am looking to capture dramatic, niche, rare footage, essentially the shots which define these natural phenomena as they're taking place. Now, this is let's just say it's a challenging profession, and there are many, many hurdles I have to overcome to get into the right place at the right time and keep myself safe as well as my cameras working. So I'll be looking at some of the amazing technological advantages over the last decade or so, which have made my job so much easier than it was when I first started out. So I'll be looking at the improvements in weather forecasting, the tools available to me online to get a sense of whether a volcano is going to erupt or not, and whether I need to jump on a plane. Now, a lot of these environments I work in are very, very hazardous, and there are a lot of risks I face. So I'm also going to touch on essentially what is trying to kill me when I'm in the office, looking at the threats of hurricane storm surge, the wind and the rain, as well as how volcanoes can be really, really dangerous when you're up close to them and they're erupting. And one aspect I'm going to really touch on in this presentation is how drones have essentially transformed the way I can film volcanic eruptions. I'll take you to a beautiful volcano in the southwest of Japan called Shinmoidake, where I've had some immense success at filming an eruption there with a drone, as well as down to Indonesia, where recently tragic events took place at a place called Anak Krakatau. Unfortunately, many people were killed in a tsunami after the volcano collapsed into the sea. But in this place, the drone has been indispensable in getting an idea of what exactly happened at the volcano and a look at the dramatic changes that have taken place. So I look forward to meeting you on the 14th of June at the Nagatacho Grid for the Nerd Nite evening and taking any questions you have. But until then, take care and look forward to seeing you soon.
Okay, thanks for listening. I hope to see you on June 14th at Nagatacho Grid. For more info, head on over to our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter at NNTokyo, or hit our webpage at tokyo.nerdnite.com. Nite is spelled N-I-T. See you soon.